Yes, viewers, yes, subscribers. Big up on yourself, I don't know. New link production there, people. I don't know the thing going on. Yes, today, people, they're on the block there. And I got through the laptop because I have a lot of albums of different artists. You understand? Meaning, I love, I'm a fan of every artist I can think of. Even Spanish. No matter what song they do, but I really love, like, back in the 90s music, you know, like Buju, Banton, Garnet, Silk, those type of artists. I really love those type of artists. So I see I have a Buju Banton series, about 3 series of album compilations with him. And I start going through to some of those songs on the album there. People, on a real level. You know, it's a Buju Banton to me. Buju Banton, I don't know, no matter what problem he's in right now, whatever they say he do or anything. I'm just gonna tell you, you know that Buju Banton is a true inspirational musician. If you know, like, what Buju sing about is in his past, is what's happening today, in his present life, and like he can showcase in other people's life, honestly. You understand? And when me listen to Buju Banton, me just feel so proud for know say he's a true Jamaican. You understand? I spit them yo. That man, honestly. Buju Banton is a real talented musician. Cause I see Buju Banton on a couple shows before. You understand? I remember I showed me the guy sent catching name. That's, I think I always time ever see Buju Banton in person. Showing him Campfire where they keep December the 31st. But I don't remember the year still. Good time now. And when that time they did have the big tune where I say, "Driver, don't stop." And yo, it's a tall man, I say, come on people. The man energetic, the man powerful, the man rock the place, me I tell you. Them shake it down, man. Big man thing. And me I tell you this, viewers and subscribers. All long come down, yo. Buju Banton is one of the best and the most talented thing come out of Jamaica. And right now, honestly, me know say they don't really talk about him, because to enough people it's like he's dead. And you know that Buju Banton have less than a year and a half to come out of prison. You know that, right? Less than a year and a half to come out of prison. And to many people, it's like Buju Banton dead. It's like you know, that's what I'm saying, enough musicians, if you notice, when they're alive, then give them a props, then give them this and that. And next thing just stop that. But I bet if Kartel wasn't like dropping music same way, nobody would have talked about Gaza, you know? Honestly, nobody would have talked about Gaza. If Kartel is dead 3 months, 4 or 5 months, people don't really talk about him like that again in the media spotlight or anything, you know. You understand? So that's why the same thing when I said to the people in other day. Alkaline right now, if Kartel will stop the music, everybody have to turn to Alkaline and look up to him. You understand? Because that's reality. Like when people acknowledge you, when you pass, them will still talk about you. You see me? Them will still, you're gone, yes, but at least talk about the work we do. Every time, showcase Buju work, showcase when do. Not because some bad things will happen to you, man. Eh? We know you get caught up in some things, yes, we know, but everybody do make mistakes in life. But, yo, I tell you this, people. You see, first show Buju Banton company, the first show, New Link have to depend on that. I not tell no lie. Me have to go there. The first show, when you release, anywhere that you show there, I could have $1 million US to go there, New Link and find you and go there. Remember me tell you that, because me need to see this true icon again in action. I tell you that. Yeah. We need to see, man. Eh? We don't wait till it. Eh? What I time in on the same level, you know, saying I time there when Kartel did they just get locked down and them you're not hearing the music like that. Honestly, come like Kartel did that dead out, you know. Big man thing, no people in all talk about him like that again. When the music did pass one night time until it start drop back again. I saw the things there. And that's why I know say most of Kartel fans they fake for sure. Enough of them fake. Big man thing. I want me to post you up there. One of them you there, one of them, so one of them called leader boy there. Blogger boy, they post you up the other day and say Kartel, how much I go buy one of Kartel album them. So what benefit do to the artists? Because you know say artists have lawyer for pay, you have picnic for take care, you have family, you have that for maintain same way. How much I go buy one of album them? Because normally the people, you know say music not sell like that, honestly. Music don't sell like that. Me I be upfront with it. Music don't sell like that. What artists mostly benefit off of is stage shows. I understand? When they go up on tour, you understand? That's how they mostly benefit off. You know, like the rappers artists, them will sell. You understand? Sean Paul and them more international recognized artists, them things will sell more where them benefit more for their music. But most of our local stars, if they don't do show, they don't make the money. Me I tell you honest truth. You understand? You know he'll make no money. What a stupid job. What he did, he just did there. Boy, I tell you. You see me as a people. So, me, New Link, I say, acknowledge it, give man them props all when they that prison see away, man. Make them man feel like they did the same way. Nobody, because look on the Buju now. Like when the man come out, man, I figure, but man start did and feel up in good same way. You see me? Viewer, subscriber. Yeah. And not like New Link, I tell you a real thing, I tell you. If I'm foolish, I talk when I tell me say a foolishness. I look when I tell me the truth, you know. And I look back in myself and say, no, say I'm foolish, but I talk with you. Yeah. Because without people give you the something, you know. Your opinion, you can't do better. You understand? You have to say, people have to give your opinion to where you do and you look into it and say, oh, it's true, you know, say it's true and correct it. It ain't a real thing, New Link, I tell you, man. So viewers, subscribers, just big up on yourself, you know. Come today, I'm going to deal with some business. Today, I'm a business day. Whole part business I have to deal with. I have about 10 places I got office to go today. Go deal with whole part business and you know. Today, I'm a real business day, you know. Today, we call dinner day. So, New Link I go on some dinner, you know. So, big up on yourself, viewers, and subscribe. New Link production there. We catch up here. Love and all. Big up.